Hello, today I'm going to show you the professional solution for your cabinet manufacturing needs. What we have here is cabinet CNC workstation from TigerTech. Let me explain to you a little bit about the details of what this machine can do for your factory. First, what we have is in the back an automatic loading system. This loading system can take and store up to 30 sheets of 18mm panels, which are automatically loaded by the machine. No person is necessary for loading these sheets. The sheets are pulled into the work table for the machine, and then it has automatic stops. These automatic stops always guarantee the panel position is correct exactly at the same place every time, avoiding any mistakes. After the panel is placed on top of the table, the vacuum table and the vacuum pump is activated, which will hold the material in place before starting the operation of drilling. Now, the machine can move up to 100 meters per minute. We're talking of 2,500 inches per minute of speed. This is a professional machine, a high production machine, which is moving at a very fast rate. This is positioning in the air. When you start working, we're talking about an ultra-fast hole drilling automated vertical boring machine. The boring accessory has a 9 drill head, which can do 5 drills on one side and 5 drills on the y-axis and the x-axis. When you start processing after boring, you start cutting or grooving. Then you have a 12-tool automatic tool changing spindle. That means you can do up to 12 processes, one after the other, sequential processes with different tools. When cutting, you can cut up to 35 meters per minute, which is one of the fastest machines you can find in the market. We're talking about 1,300 inches per minute of processing speed. That means you can cut up to 100 sheets approximately. That's 8-hour shifts. So you can make many cabinets in one single day. Finishing the cutting process and boring process, the machine will automatically remove the material with the cut parts, and at the same time it's removing the material, it is loading a new sheet which will be start processing after it has been moved. So the operator will not have to be in the machine doing anything. He'll just have to remove the pieces that have already been cut from this work table. Finally, this machine can be operated with only one person. This means that the labor cost is immediately reduced. You don't need more people for all this line operation. What you can see here is the heart of your furniture factory is here from TigerTech. Okay? Now I will show you the first part of the CNC cabinet solution is the automatic loading machine. This automatic loading system can hold up to 30 sheets of material. I'm talking about 18mm material, and the material is with the vacuum cups automatically loaded to the table and perfectly aligned with the machine stops. I will show you a demonstration. As you can see, the machine levels again for the next process. The sheet is then pushed into position and then to this position, and then the stops go down. So you can always feel confident that the position of the sheet will always be the same in every cutting process. Now that the sheet processing has been completed, the machine will proceed to remove the cut materials into the table. At this point, all this material can be removed from the table. It will automatically stop. It has a sensor, so it does not continue moving. And you can see here, the parts are ready to be removed and taken to the next assembly process. Everything finishing perfect. Boring, perfect. Grooves, perfect. Ready for next process.